Hey everybody, this is Richard. Today's Friday the 21st of July and wanted to do a video on this overnight trade that we got into. This is going to be a real quick video though. So we ended up buying at yesterday's close at $45.65. You see that right here. As of right now, this trade's up about $1,000, and if you look today, once equity markets open, which is in about 40 minutes, we will get out of this trade more than likely. And so let me just pull up an overnight chart though, so you can see how these overnight trades work. Because once we get in, the algorithm will stay in those trades until basically equity markets open. Now we do have a crash stop that we put out there, but this is sort of the overnight movement in the S&P. And let me make these candles 10-minute candles so you can see a little bit more. There we go. All right, so right in here, this would have been yesterday, this section over here, and we bought somewhere right around in here. And so since then, the futures market opened up again kind of yesterday at around 6 p.m. Eastern, and then they just sort of trade throughout the night. And right now, it looks like it's sort of hitting new highs or wanting to maybe even hit more new highs. So we'll see what happens, but we got another 40 minutes left before equities open, so hopefully it can hold on to these gains or maybe even add to them, and if so, then we'll exit this morning with a real nice gain. And so just remember that trading futures, it does involve substantial risk of loss. It's not appropriate for all investors. Remember, I'm not a CTA. I'm what they call a third-party developer, so I offer the algorithms to be traded under a letter of direction. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Keep that in mind as well. But let's just go ahead and watch it. Let's see how they open. I'll do a quick recap once this trade is exited. All right. Well, looks like we exited this overnight S&P trade. We had a gain of about $700. So it was up a bit more, but just before the markets opened, it looked like it was selling off a bit. So we ended up taking still a really nice gain though. Again, $700 on that. So that's really all I have in this video. I'm just wanted to cover this overnight trade. It was a great trade, and remember that trading futures does involve risk. It's not for everyone. Carefully consider that before deciding to move forward with our algorithms. And now remember too that in these videos I do highlight the good. So I'm highlighting some of the winning trades just to give you some examples of what we actually do. And hopefully this has been helpful, but we do have losing trades. One example is this Emerald Long trade that we had back on the 19th, so a couple days ago was a loss. Now the last week though has been really good for us, and I did do a video highlighting trades from the 17th through the 20th, and as of then we were up about $1,300 for the week. If you add this $700 trade, that puts us up at a couple thousand on the week, so really good week. Anyway, thank you again for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.